spiders. Damn. Hey guys, Amy here. It's in the evening. We just had dinner. It's cooled off a little bit. I'm doing my harvesting. Donald had a flare up, so it's one of those where he's got to sit out. Oh, look at this. Oh, it moved. It was a dragonfly. But today I am going to harvest a couple different things. I have guavas. Some of them have gotten huge, and I have to figure out a way to get through the maze. I may have to actually step on some of these sweet potato vines. I don't want to, but I don't have a way around this. But for some reason, like that one up there, these guavas just started producing like you wouldn't believe. I mean, look at the size of those suckers. They were all little babies. Hardly anything. So, I'm going to show, look at those in there. So, I'm going to set you guys down. Yeah, because normally they look like this. They're tiny. And with all the rains, they've blown up. So, I'm going to put my basket down. And I'm going to put you guys down. I don't know where I'm going to put you guys. So maybe you guys could actually see what I'm going to be harvesting. But I have a funny feeling the bush is going to be in the way. Yeah, bush is going to be in the way. Oh, these sweet potato vines are insane. Alright, so I'm just going to get you guys as best as I can this away. Alright, it's going to have to do. Ew! Big old spider! Ah! I hate spiders! Damn. Ants and spiders. Ah. Oh, I just got bit. Let me show you guys. Not fun. Sweating. Freaking still hot out here. It's 6 o'clock in the evening. Hair's all messed now. Oh. Alright, so I got the big one I was after. I had to, there was a, what do you call it? A golden orb spider. Huge female. I had to actually break down her web, but she's between two of the cranberry hibiscus, so she'll be able to rebuild. But I got covered in ants. I got bit by ants, so I'm telling y'all, Donald better pass that kidney stone quickly. Okay, let's do this. noticed, guys, is with the yard-long beans, see how all of that is dead foliage? That means the vines are getting ready to die. They only produce until about fall season, and then they start dying back. And as you can tell, there's a lot of dead vines inside. And then, besides ants, I'm also fighting with these guys. These are called stink bugs. They're native to Florida. They're harmless, but they do produce a really stinky smell when you squish them. And then I also got bees on the flowers and spiders. Normally it's the little spiders in here, so they're not so bad, but you still got to be careful with them. And I noticed here, you can see where there's starting to be gaps now in the vines. So they are definitely dying off. Hold on, I got an ant. Oh, freaking ants! I swear to God, I hate ants. Fire ants, especially. I'm allergic to fire ants. I get these huge welts. But that's what I got so far. I still have that over there. And I have to go on the other side of this fence here. I'm not going to go on the other side here because this is our ditch. And our ditch is full of water. Okay, guys. This is the area I have to go to get to check the loofahs. I really hate it because I'm an arachnophobic and I know there's a couple of spiders down there. But because of Donald's condition right now, normally he does it for me, but I got to go in there and check for any ripe loofahs, take those vines off of the house here. So I'm not going to put you through on doing that. As you can tell, the vines are just going nuts, and a couple of them are dying off. So, and I got sweat in my eyes. Can't believe it's almost 7 o'clock at night and it's freaking this hot out. And then I got to get the grapes. So I'll catch you guys back in just a minute. Nope. Went back there, ran into a big old spider web. Nope, not doing it. Donald's gonna have to do it somehow. I don't care what he does have to do with it. This is freaking horrible. Over it. All right, grapes. Let's do something easy and nice. Grapes. Okay, grapes. Something that... Sorry if it sounds like I'm huffing and puffing, but this humidity, it really gets to you. So, we're gonna pick some grapes. See, guys? All right. Some of these, I can actually pick all of them in one shot, and then some I can't. So, hopefully I'm not stepping on any ant piles, but as you can tell, got lots of grapes. So I'm gonna set you guys down. We're gonna pick some grapes. Check it out, guys. Look at all these grapes. We have never had a grape harvest before. I am so stinking excited. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that wonderful? Love it. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and grow something for your family.